To split payment on Expedia, start by selecting your travel options, including flights, hotels, or packages, and proceed to the payment page. On the payment page, you will see the total cost of your booking and various payment options. Look for the split payment option, which may be labeled as pay with multiple credit cards or split payment. Expedia allows you to split your payment across multiple credit cards, making it easier to manage your expenses or share costs with others. To do this, click on the split payment option and enter the amount you want to charge to each card. You can split the payment into multiple parts, but you must cover the full amount of the booking. For example, if your booking costs $1,000, you can split the payment into 2 parts, charging $600 to one card and $400 to another. Make sure to have sufficient funds on each card to cover the assigned amount. Once you have entered the split payment details, review your booking and payment information carefully to ensure everything is correct. Then, confirm your payment and complete the booking. It is essential to note that Expedia may charge a small fee for split payments, so be sure to check the terms and conditions before completing your booking. Additionally, some credit card companies may have restrictions on split payments, so it is a good idea to check with your card issuer before using this option. By following these steps, you can easily split payment on Expedia and manage your travel expenses more efficiently. Always review the terms and conditions of your booking and payment options to ensure a smooth and hassle-free travel experience.